Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to tour our hotel here in Cayo Coco, Cuba. It's called the Gran Muthu Rainbow here at Cayo Guillermo. Let's take a look. So right here, every night or almost every night, they actually hold parties like dancing and singing. And over here is the hotel registration. Actually very friendly here. This is my first time in Cuba and it's definitely not going to be the last. There are pool tables. We were there last night. Just chill. And right over here is their new wine bar. We were also here last night. It's such a vibe. Let's go check out the other parts of downtown. Alright, so here there are two tennis courts. This one. And that's our hotel there. Pretty huge. Alright, on to the next stop. Our next stop is the gym. Let's go check it out. And this is the pool area. It's so nice and quiet. It's pretty cold today. It's actually just, I think 19 degrees Celsius today. And our high is only 24. It's pretty nice if you ask me. And this is the snack bar. This is open 24 hours and they serve pretty good snacks over here. Last night we were out here partying and drinking, of course. Had some burgers, which are awesome. Those are my friends. They just woke up. Say hi, guys. And this is another view of the pool area from the other side. That's where we were earlier, the snack bar right here. And looks like there's another bar right here. And those are the hotel rooms facing the ocean. Or somewhere there. What I really like about this place is so quiet, it's clean, it's still so new. I think it was built in 2020, maybe 2019. Okay. It it was open in 2020. I was told. Pretty nice. Okay, so now we're gonna go to where the villas are, and we're gonna show you where the buffet is, and also the massage huts, and the beach, of course. So let's go. Those are the villas. If you are booking one of those villas, you're actually gonna get your own private pool, and obviously your beachfront. I'd love to stay in one of those. And there's a restaurant there, which I haven't been. That's the a la carte, and this is where the buffet is. We've had dinner there last night and breakfast today. And we're gonna go have lunch in a bit after we show you guys around.
And now we're heading to the buffet. The buffet is open during breakfast, lunch, and dinner. They serve a variety of fruits, pastries, desserts, cold cuts, and of course, warm dishes. The buffet also has a pasta station, an omelette station, and a grill station.
Alright guys, so now we're gonna check out the massage area. Right over there, right over the beach. Check it out. It's so beautiful in here. So nice. Sand feels so good. What's up, Gabe? That's where we were, the massage area, massage huts.